Hello guys, and you have update 1 on Cyclone Winston. This update is as of 1000 UTC on the 12th of February 2016. Storm's located at 18.7 degrees south, 171.6 degrees east. Winds are 110 miles per hour and an air pressure of 952 millibars. Storm's not been active for that long, quickly intensifying really. Going in the last 12 hours, going from tropical storm to category 2 intensity. Storm's expected to become a major cyclone. I believe now that will be the 5th one of the year, I believe. That will be confirmed a little bit later. I'll put that into the description. In the next 36 to 48 hours, it's expected to become a major, which we'll show you on the forecast map. So now we'll go on to the satellite imagery. So here we see the forecast track for Cyclone Winston. It has it sort of curving back up towards the north, going about as far as 25 degrees south. Storm's expected to top out with 105 knots, which is a 120 mile per hour category 3 storm. Before weakening again on approach to Tonga, weakening to a tropical storm. Storm's looking pretty good actually from the latest satellite imagery, which will be coming up in just a moment. I wouldn't actually be surprised, and I actually can't rule out this storm to be a category 4. But we'll have to wait till the next update to find out, see if that happens. Here guys, we have the visible imagery. Storm's looking pretty good, other than its eye is somewhat questionable really on that imagery. Though the storm is looking very good. Possibility that storm's already a major cyclone, so we'll have to see if what happens with the storm and how it develops. Now we have the AVN imagery, I believe. The rainfall and wind speeds look as though that it's more displaced towards the east of the system. Normally with most southern hemisphere storms it normally is displaced towards the east, and north and south sides really do struggle sometimes. I believe something to do with the Coriolis effect sort of element to it. Now here's the DVorak imagery here. Looks as though we have DVorak T5 there, maybe T6 on that imagery. So it looks as though a possibility that DVorak's possibly picking up category 4 intensity in there, maybe. But I'll have to see how wait for that to play out. The rainbow imagery, not really saying much else as well, except the storm is intensifying quite quickly, quite considerably actually. Most intense part of the storm is actually displaced more towards the north. If you can see north of the core, there's little bits of white and also black there, so quite intense there. Shows you about the displacement. Same with the, I believe this is the RB top imagery. It's also looking good. Again, you can see quite an intense part of the storm. Displaced to the north and also displaced down to the southeast as well of the system. But the storm is still organising and pulling itself together. And finally we have the last imagery, the water vapour imagery. Water vapour is not really a problem for this storm. So it's pretty much free to develop. So next up and the final thing is the wind shear map, just coming up in a moment. as you guys can see, Winston just off to the right there, sheer, not really impeding the storm in any way. Looks as though it's got cleared on the side of the direction it's moving. Wind shear can become a problem a bit south a little bit further, though still only be about moderate. Sort of 3,000 maybe.